It seems today all you see violence and movements and sex on greenery, but it never sex and never value. So life loves a family guy, loves a value, loves a value. Laugh and cry, he's a family guy. And then season 1 finale review. Hello guys and welcome back to Family Guy Season 1 reviews, and it's the last episode of Season 1. But don't worry, Season 2 will be in 2 weeks time with more laughter, more laughs, and really awesome episodes. So, welcome back. Yeah, and Brian Brunson of A Dark. Yeah, and directed by Michael Demonen and written by Gary Jensen, which was really good, fantastic and funny. Awesome as well. It was awesome and fun. Awesome. It was really good. And here's the plot. Quahog is the grit of unusual heat wave. The Griffins ask Brian to enter a dog show and offer the top prize of $500, so they are able to buy air conditioning. Brian performs his tricks at the show. Pete asks Brian to beg for a treat, but he finds his determined exits quickly. On the way home, Pete and Brian agree until Brian exits the car. The police give Brian a ticket for valid and local leave law. After the deputy uses the Peter mentors that he found Brian as a stray dog. Brian is furious, but that Peter had brought that up and leaves the house. When opening, badly treated by the community, Peter buys a new cat which turns out to be abusing. The family adopts it and searches for Brian. By the time Brian and Peter decides to obfuscate to Brian, he apologizes to Brian. He had been taken away by the police and since is death sentence. Wow. Poor dog. I know, right? Brian begins to plead his case, but the court decides it is stupid to listen to a dog. As he's about to dismiss, Peter steps in and delivers the last ditch emotional appearance to his brief. The city council members hearing the case are not on Brian's side, but Peter promises to give them $20 each, confessing them to free Brian. Their charges against Brian are dropped and the town shows him new respect. Wow, that was so awesome and fantastic. Yeah, it was good finale, and it was really good and awesome. But in 2 weeks time, in season 2, oh yeah, with 21 episodes, and the next one, in the first episode of season 2, Peter Graffin Eater, which will be in 2 weeks time. Hola! Yeah! Our season 13 with Family Guy reviews will start the 29th of September with Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Simpsons, Once Upon a Time season 4 reviews, and that's it. Yeah. It was a great episode and high five, and I'll give it 10 out of 10. It was a good episode, so yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this with you guys, and see you soon. Bye! And then tomorrow's reviews are double bill of The Simpsons season 25 reviews, double bill of the originals. Hold on, I lied. And there'll be a double bill of the originals, double bill of The Simpsons, and Once Upon a Time season 1 reviews, and Vampire Diaries season 1 reviews as well. So see you there guys, and see you tomorrow for and the finale of Lego Avengers. Be there and watch out.